First is oil guys ha, oil. Ingredients guys ha. For the arrabbiata, red chili and cherry tomato guys ha. Garlic guys. I put garlic now guys ha. Arrabbiata guys ha. You see? Wow. And then I put guys olives. You see the olives? Yan na guys, arrabbiata na yan ha. Pini on the hot water. Already cooked guys ha. And then now finish, I put there. Tomato sauce guys ha. You see? Now I put 2 ladder. Tomato sauce, yeah. Then guys, how to make pini arrabbiata. Good and yummy taste guys ha. Mix. Yan guys ha, ready na. Itong red chili ha. Red chili. Yan guys ha, red chili. Oh, I put now red chili guys ha. Yes, see? Yan guys, put red chili. Cherry tomato guys ha. You see? Sugar guys, sugar. For the sweetness ha. Yan guys ang ating pini arrabbiata. Ha? Parsley ha. Don't forget put parsley. Now ready na siya guys ha. Ready na ang ating pini arrabbiata. Put. Yes. Parmesan. Yan guys ha, ang ating pini arrabbiata. Ready na siya. Ready to taste guys ha. I taste now. Good or not good taste. Maybe some salt or no. Take some sugar again ha, because sour. Now good now ha guys. And then little salt guys ha. I put little salt. Little salt guys ha, yan na. Now time to plating guys ha. Ready na ang ating pini arrabbiata. Very easy ha. Very easy and yummy. Guys, I plating now guys ha. Pini arrabbiata ha. This is my menu guys. I put now plating. Wow. You see guys ha. This is my menu guys.